Amid the fresh buzz over leadership change in Karnataka, Social Welfare Minister, in fact, has sparked a controversy with some unusual remarks. When asked about leadership discussions, the minister said there was no such debate and claimed the leadership in the state is strong. In a surprising response, he referred to the High Court directive on stray dogs, saying that the court had ordered the authorities to put stray dogs behind bars, but admitted he did not know the connection when questioned by reporters. Listen in.
ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿದು ಒಳಗಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೂ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಒಳಗಾಕಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಅದೇ ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಭಯ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಕರು ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇವರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ಹೇಳಿದ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಆದಿ ಬೀದಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ನೀವೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದನಾ? ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ
ಕೆಲವು ಶಾಸಕರುಗಳು ಸಚಿವರುಗಳೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗವಾಗಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು? ನಾನು ನೀವು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕದ್ದ? ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಬಾಲನೇ ನಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Let's go back to my colleague Navya, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Can the tail shake the dog? I mean, what is he even trying to say?
Well, of course, in fact, going on to his statement, I want to make this point clear that H.C. Mahadevappa has been a key figure in in most of the dinner meetings held by Dalit ministers along with Parmeshwar and other ministers, in fact, during the entire leadership tussle. While when reporters asked him about what the decision is being made by the High Command, when will the decision be made, he in fact says that there is no leadership change as such, and he also compared the High Court's directives to stray dogs and put them behind the bars. When reporters further said that what is the relation between leadership change and the stray dogs putting them behind the bars, he went on to deny it, saying that I did not mean in that way. Well, if there is a decision that needs to be taken, it should be by the High Command, not you or me can make a decision on that. Well, all of these statements, be it from B.K. Hariprasad or H.C. Mahadevappa, we are seeing it is more and more speculating day by day. Now, this will be put an end by the High Command itself, and this is the high time for them to, give out a decision or make give any clearance on this.
Well, absolutely. We see these kind of noises emerging, and then eventually one common statement comes in the end that the High Command is going to decide. We did see Rahul Gandhi, meeting the top leaders, both the leaders, Siddaramaiah as well as D.K. Shivkumar, a couple of weeks ago. But still, this issue remains as it is. There hasn't really been any kind of a solution, because earlier the sense we got, Navya, was that perhaps after the Bihar elections, things will become clear. There'll be clarity on what's happening as far as this leadership tussle in Karnataka is concerned. That didn't happen. Bihar elections are over now. We're looking at another 5 states and union territories going to polls very soon. And this issue is still continuing. Thank you very much, Navya, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. We have to now move on and